Good morning. It is now 11 a.m., the deadline for bid submittal. Bid announcements are not final and binding upon the city. They are all subject to review for completeness, accuracy, and compliance with all the terms and conditions provided in the bid specifications. The bidder must bid all line items set forth on the proposal pages, except to the extent that the specification allows otherwise. In the event that a comparison of the bidder's unit price and total price submitted for any line item reveals a calculation error or other discrepancy, the unit price will prevail. The Chief Procurement Officer reserves the right to correct minor math errors and accept minor variances in a bid. This is an e-procurement bid opening. Only electronic bids are being read. Paper bids are not allowed. Today's specification number is 1297547. RFQ number is 51604. This is for block level lead service line replacement, South Kenwood Avenue, SBI-II. The procurement specialist is Diane Smuziak. I will now begin reading the bidders, total base bids, and award criteria. For today's specification number 1297547, we have 4 bidders. Our first bidder is MQ Sewer and Water Contractors with a bid of $922,400.00. Repeating, that is $922,400.00. And an award criteria of $870,745.60. Repeating, that is $870,745.60. Our next bidder is Millennium Contracting Corporation with a bid of $496,665.00. Repeating, that is $496,656.00. And an award criteria of $477,783.09. Repeating, that is $477,783.09. Our next bidder is Ryan's Plumbing One, Inc. with a bid of $275,638.00. Repeating, that is $275,638.00. And with an award criteria of $275,637.95. Repeating, that is $275,637.95. And last but not least, we have United Enterprise with a bid of $820,848.24. Repeating, that is $820,848.20. With an award criteria of $751,076.14. Repeating, that is $751,076.14. And since United Enterprise is our last bidder for today, this will include our bidding process for today. Thank you and have a good day.